What we need to do now is to complete the registration class based on the requirement of this question. So the registration class is simply represent the main method. So I need to write the main method. The simple way, or there is a shortcut in order to write the main method header. Simply write main and then hit tab. The idea you're going to write the header of the main method, and then we need to complete the body of this method. So the method says that we need to create one instance of the students class and two instances of the course class. So we need to use this information they give it us in this table. So what I need to do first is to create a new instance for a student. So I'm going to use the student class. Let me call my object as student1. And you know that we need to send this information for the constructor, the name, the number of the students, and the number of type int. So simply I need to write the number 250.221.375, and the second parameter is the first name of type string, then the last name, and the last name here this string, and then we need to send the maximum number of courses this student can enroll, and they give it to us in the table by the value 7. And now we send all the information to the constructor for the class. Now this line created an object of type students. Now I need to create two objects of type courses. Then I'm going to use the method add courses to add these two objects to the student class. Good, so we need to create the first course of type class course, the class name, and let us say course 1, the name of my object, and again of type course. And here for the course we need to send the information about the course number, and the course number defined as a string, the course number here ES 1036A, and the name, the other string, the title programming fundamentals for engineers. So this is for the first object. The second object again of type course, let us call it course 2. So now I have created two objects, course 1 and course 2, based on the information we have in the given table. Now we need to use the method add course defined in the student class. So in student class here we have a method called add course. We need to add these two course objects, course 1 and course 2, to be saved in the array. So we're going to use the student1 objects I just created, and we need to call the method add course, and we need to send course 1, and I need to have another call add course 2. Then now I added the two courses in the student1 objects. Now what we need to do is to print the information of this object. Simply we want to use the name of the object through the system.out.println. Let me add some comment. Alright, so I finished writing these comments. So you see we create an object of type student, two objects of type courses, and then we use these two objects in order to add it to the array we defined in the student class. And now here we need to print the information of the students. Let us go ahead and run this program. Hopefully we didn't do any errors. That's perfect. Except this here we have, you can see I plus 1. It should be the value I plus 1. So let us fix this quickly. So you see here we have this as one block as a string. This shouldn't be that way. That should be a string for the tab, and then concatenate an integer like this, and then concatenate it with, so we have here this value to make it clear. And now we need to, okay, so now a string for the tab, and then an integer, and then a string for the dash, and then we call the courses toString object. Good. So let us now see this smallest change. Good. So now this is what we have. It's exactly as what we have in the question: student number with the number, and then student name, Jindu, and then course enrollments. Then I have here two courses. So based on the loop that we have, if we have more than two courses, we're going to print all of them one course at in a single line. Good. So we have finished writing these two classes, and we implement it through the registration demo class. Good. So I hope that you find this video useful and beneficial. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.